If you can never decide what to have for pudding, you'll fall in love at frost sight with this retro combo of raspberry ripple, boozy trifle and Italian semifreddo. And at only 3 Syns per slice, it'll help ensure the goose is the only one putting on a few pounds this Christmas. Mash 150 grams of fresh raspberries in a bowl with 1 level tablespoon of sweetener and set aside. Next, add 4 egg yolks, 165 grams of reduced fat plain soft cheese, 250 grams of quark, 250 grams yogurt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix until smooth. Next, whisk 4 egg whites and gradually add 7 level tablespoons of sweetener. Keep whisking until you get stiff peaks. Then gently fold the egg whites into the quark mixture. Be careful not to knock out all the air you've just whisked in, then swirl through the raspberry puree. Cut 10 sponge trifle fingers in half and soak 6 of them in 80 ml of dry sherry till they've absorbed the alcohol. Spoon 1/3 of the quark mixture into a pudding basin, then squidge the sponge fingers into the mix. Add a few whole raspberries and then keep layering up the mixture with the unsoaked sponge fingers and raspberries until you reach the top of the pudding basin. Gently tap on the work surface to level the top, cover and freeze for at least 6 hours. Wrapped in foil, it'll keep in the freezer for up to 6 weeks. Dip the basin into boiling water for 20 to 30 seconds, then say a little prayer to the Christmas gods and turn out onto a fancy plate. Leave to soften at room temperature, this might take up to an hour, and decorate with yogurt, raspberries and scatter with 5 grams of toasted almond flakes. Divide into 10 to serve.